So this is the day in the life of a full-time working mum who has 3 children, and we have 9 pets. So my day started with making sure our guinea pigs were okay, giving them some veg, making sure they had what they needed, and watering the plants, because if you've been following our journey, I planted over 500 seeds so far to give food to our local food bank, and they all need looking after. There we go. This is some of our trees and bits and pieces getting a water. Today, I also did a full house clean. So, massive pile of washing, all the bedding. It's been a very hot day, so trying to get all that done, but we did get some rain, which was quite good for the garden, I guess. My son also had a friend over who's staying the night after he'd had a sleepover the night before. So they were enjoying the pool. My eldest son Corey was at a kickboxing grading, and the youngest one, Emily, has just been having a rather chilled day doing her own little thing. So yeah, it's been quite a productive day. Cleaning the whole house though, it took quite a bit, and we got a food shop in, and I was lucky when Gav came home from work, he did help do a bit of the housework, so he cleaned the bathrooms and helped me with a few other little chores. So this was a little weekly top-up shop, because we do a monthly shop at Costco, and these are just the extra bits that we need because they go out of date in the week or are unable to get from somewhere like Costco. The whole house included cleaning lounge, kitchen, diner, our open plan area. I cleaned out the fridge, did all the washing, got that done, all the bedding done, and after that I did the utility room, downstairs toilet, my office, hallway, stairs, and the kids generally do their own bedrooms here. Maggie looking rather happy. Do their own bedrooms, but I just went round and vacuumed as I was doing upstairs and putting clothes away. Yes, there's still lots of washing. I have sorted it now. I just need to finalise the ironing tomorrow and get that all put away. And I made a load of shepherd's pie for us all to have for tea, which was really nice because all the kids ate it. I did have to do variations of it because I have a child who is very sensory around their food. So in order to get veg into them, they prefer raw carrot to cooked carrot and just things like that. So I like to make sure everybody gets their veg and do it in a way that they're happy with. But yeah, here I am starting to prep tea and on to doing some garden stuff as well in between that. So as you can see, the plants are still looking very healthy, still needed to go to the allotment, and that will happen hopefully in the next few days, depending on what happens with this weather. At least at home I'm watching them quite closely. So I hope you guys have had a nice Saturday. That's the day in the life, quite house work related and garden stuff, but enjoyable all the same. Take care guys, don't forget to subscribe to see more of the journey.